Meet Tech-CNC AP4060. This is a compact CNC router engineered for real manufacturing. Professional capability, compact footprint, real manufacturing power. The machine frames is assembled on a high-precision granite surface plate, ensuring outstanding accuracy and flatness. All mounting surfaces for linear rails are precision milled, guaranteeing accurate rail alignment, improved rigidity, and long-term geometric stability. The excluded aluminum frame profiles are filled with a polymer composite, increasing structural stiffness while efficiently damping vibration during machining. This vibration reduction improves surface finish, enhances dimensional stability, and significantly extends cutting tool life. This design combines the weight efficiency of aluminum with the vibrational damping behavior typically found in heavier machine structures. The machine is equipped with a vacuum table in all configurations, providing secure and uniform work holding across a wide range of materials. The vacuum surface features a 25 by 25 mm grid pattern, ensuring consistent vacuum distribution and reliable part retention during machining. In addition, the table includes threaded mounting holes arranged on a 50 by 50 mm fixture grid, allowing fast installation of clamps, fixtures, and custom work holding solution for complex setups. This combination allows users to switch quickly between vacuum work holding and mechanical fixturing without changing the table. HIWIN size 15 linear rails provide smooth motion, high rigidity, and long-term reliability even under continuous machining. The machine uses TVI 1605 C7 ball screws as standard, with a C5 precision option available for customers requiring higher positioning accuracy and repeatability. The ball screws are supported by C5 grade ball screw supports, improving axial rigidity, reducing backlash, and enhancing overall positioning stability during precision machining. A water-cooled spindle ensures quiet operation and excellent thermal stability. Unlike air-cooled spindles that generate higher temperature variation, the water-cooled designs minimizes thermal expansion and helps preserve dimensional accuracy and surface finish during long machining cycles. All aluminum machine components are anodized, increasing surface hardness, reducing wear. Cable routing and electronics protection components are manufactured from stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-term reliability in workshop environments. The AP4060 includes automatic tool length measurement, integrated 3D probing arm, MQL lubrication system for efficient machining and extended tool life, a touchscreen interface, Wi-Fi connectivity, Ubuntu-based control system. Customizable macros provide modern usability and workflow automation. myCNC Open Architect Controller ET6 delivers professional-grade control and deep customization. Industrial electronics from trusted brands ensure reliability. Meanwhile power supplies, lead-shine motors, Yako motion drives, Delta VFD. The modular enclosure allows easy transportation and fast reassembly. Our CNC router can work with many different materials. It can machine aluminum of all grades, as well as acrylics, bronze, and all types of plastic. It also works great with wood, composite materials, and even stone. Operating from standard 110 volt power, via transformer. TechCNC AP4060 is ideal for garages, small workshops, prototyping, and small-scale production.